Ever seen someone sipping champagne on a cruise balcony and thought, that must cost a fortune? Well, what if I told you that you can cruise like a millionaire without spending like one? 10 ways to cruise like a millionaire on a budget. 10. Book at the right time. Millionaires know timing is everything, and that includes booking cruises. Prices fluctuate like airline tickets, and if you book 60 to 90 days before departure, cruise lines slash prices to fill unsold cabins. You can score balcony rooms at inside cabin prices. Pro tip, sign up for price alerts on Cruise Watch or Vacations to Go. They'll notify you when fares drop. 9. Choose a repositioning cruise. This is one of the best-kept secrets in the cruise world. Repositioning cruises happen when ships move between regions, like from the Caribbean to Europe. They're way longer, way cheaper, and have luxury-level amenities. Imagine 12 nights on a premium ship for less than the cost of a weekend getaway. 8. Skip the cruise line excursions. Millionaires love efficiency, and they never overpay. Cruise excursions sold on board are massively marked up. Instead, book tours directly with local operators or use apps like Viator or Get Your Guide. You'll get private, small group experiences for half the cost. Same view, same thrill, but double the savings. 7. Bring your own wine, legally. Yes, you can cruise like a millionaire with your own bottle of bubbly. Most cruise lines allow you to bring 1 or 2 bottles of wine or champagne per cabin. Enjoy it on your balcony at sunset without paying $15 per glass on board. Just remember, corkage fees may apply in dining rooms, so enjoy it privately like a pro. 6. Dine like royalty without paying extra. Here's a little secret. The main dining room often serves dishes identical to specialty restaurants. Ask your waiter for off-menu options. Yes, they exist. And if you really want variety, try room service breakfast on your balcony. It feels exclusive but costs nothing extra. It's not about the price, it's about the presentation. 5. Use loyalty programs and credit card perks. Millionaires love rewards, and so should you. Sign up for the cruise line's loyalty program even before your first sail. Some credit cards like Chase Sapphire or Amex Platinum offer onboard credits, free Wi-Fi, or priority boarding just for booking through their travel portals. That's like getting VIP treatment for free. 4. Pack smart to avoid hidden costs. Luxury isn't about overpacking, it's about packing smart. Bring essentials like seasickness meds, sunscreen, and power strips, non-surge protected only. These items cost triple on board. And remember, laundry on cruises can be expensive. Pack a small travel detergent and rinse in your sink. Discreet millionaire move right there. 3. Upgrade for free. Yes, really. Want a balcony cabin without paying for it? Arrive early, dress neatly, and ask politely at the check-in desk if any complimentary upgrades are available. Cruise lines often bump up guests to fill higher-tier rooms. It's not guaranteed, but it happens more than you'd think. Confidence and kindness go a long way. 2. Enjoy free luxury activities. You don't need to pay for every fancy thing on board. Cruises already include live shows, spa demos, art classes, poolside movies, and themed dinners. The trick? Check the daily schedule for hidden gems, like free wine tastings or chef demos. Millionaires love exclusivity, and many of these events feel VIP without the extra cost. 1. Pick the right cabin. Smartly. Here's the golden rule of cruising smart. Never pay for the biggest room. Pay for the best located one. Cabins midship and on lower decks are more stable, quieter, and often hundreds cheaper. If you're rarely in your cabin, why overpay? Use that saved cash for experiences, because memories are the real luxury. So there you have it. 10 insider tips to cruise like a millionaire, even if your budget says economy class. From sneaky booking tricks to secret freebies, luxury isn't about money. It's about strategy. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these cruise hacks will you try first? The wine trick, the upgrade request, or the secret excursions? Drop your answer in the comments below, and if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because next week, we're uncovering 7 cruise mistakes that could ruin your vacation. Until then, pack smart, cruise smarter, and live large, even on a budget.